Okay, this is a quickie. This is an FT-710, and this I've had a few questions why people can't transmit on, say, 70 megs or on the 5 megs allocation. It's because it's not been put in the UK mode. And if we turn this one on, I'll quickly show you. You can tell very easily just by pressing the function knob and then going down to extension settings and then to software version, and it will give you this here, which has got B2EU. That's incorrect. We need that to say, I think, C2 UK. So we just turn that off, and how you get into that, underneath here, you've got the fast and fine button, or the fine and fast. You hold that in with the mode button, turn the radio on until you see the Yaesu symbol, then let go of all the buttons. Once that happens, the unit will restart. And now when we go into, say, function, extension, and then the software version, this now says C2 UK. Now we can check to see what we've done there. We can, if we come out of that, so we'll just go back, and then all you need to do is just tap the last digits on the actual radio there, and we'll just type in 70, and that will do it. We'll just say enter, and there we go, got 70 megs, and you'll see now that's transmitting happily on 70 megs. And then if we tap that again, we're going to the 5 megs, and so we need to go to 5.3. So a lot of people make a mistake. They actually think that it transmits from 5 megs up. It doesn't. It actually starts at 5.3. So now we can actually see that we're quite happily TX in there. So happy days. I hope that helps someone.